It's cocktail o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. We're again at Sir Reyes Bar in the heart of Barry Town Centre. Make sure you come and say hi and have a drink with these lovely people. They do absolutely kind of wonderful cocktails. Here we go, in we go then. Hello Soraya, how are you? You alright?
It's a cheeky Tuesday.
It's a cheeky Tuesday, it is. How was your week?
Great.
Really
yes.
good, brilliant,
Really good,
fantastic, fantastic. I really enjoyed the strawberry daiquiri.
Yeah.
What are we doing this week?
A Long Island iced tea.
Long Island iced tea with none other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spirits. Some lemon juice I can see, and a cheeky can of Coke over there.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So, Long Island iced tea, popular one for you?
Yes, very popular, and it's the strongest. So a lot of people come here, started on that, get it on the level, and then explore the rest of the menu.
Fantastic, fantastic. Well, I'm really excited to get into this. I'm going to set the camera on the tripod right there, and we're going to get filming this Long Island iced tea. Right then, Soraya, Long Island iced tea. I'm super excited for this one.
I bet you are.
I did have one
Yes,
when I was
you
here just over a week ago,
Yeah.
and it was lovely.
Yeah.
Strong, but lovely.
You
but
can smell
lovely.
the alcohol on it. You
Yeah, but it tasted really good.
It's the Coke and the lemon juice that actually stops it from being so unbearably strong.
Is it?
I think that's what it is. It's just
Right.
a good mix again. But
Okay.
with this one, we're going to make it again. We don't need the blender.
Okay.
It's ice and the condensation on the glass again.
Right, okie dokie. So I'm going to look at this one first. Decupta, triple sec liqueur.
Yes, this is a liqueur.
New for me.
Made for cocktails.
Okay.
It's in things like tequila sunrise.
Right.
It's in tequila tropical sunset with tequila.
Okay.
I noticed on our menu, might not be every, it's in a lot of tequila drinks because tequila's a shot to me. I would never have gone out and thought,
Yeah,
well, I have
yeah.
a tequila cocktail. But I do believe this liqueur is what takes it from not being so strong like a shot. You
Okay.
can drink it. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah, can I explain it?
Of course you can. Yeah, go ahead. I've never heard of that before I
No.
did my mixology course.
Well, no, I mean, this is the thing, see, this is all brand new to me.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells lush.
Yeah.
Like lime juice or
Yeah, and
something.
I think that takes away the strongness and the unbearable fact that tequila should be a shot, in my opinion. You know, that kind of thing. I know.
That smells lovely, like
It's-
lemon or
it's-
lime.
Yeah, it's like but it is a liqueur and it is alcohol, so we can't just go and put it in mocktails and things. But it
Yeah.
goes really well with all the tequila cocktails we make.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Absolutely
So we've got that one.
Yeah.
Then we've got the tequila.
Yeah, and it is.
The well known tequila.
Yeah. To be honest, I don't think I've ever had a shot of tequila. I've heard of it, I've heard of tequila, but I've not had a shot of it.
Rum.
We had
more
some of
white
that
rum.
last week, didn't we? The cane white
This
one.
is a popular drink here. Vanilla vodka.
Vanilla vodka.
It's in corn star martinis.
Okay.
Is in our Long Island iced tea, and actually now people are asking for shots of vanilla vodka and Coke
Vanilla vodka.
because
Coke.
it's so
Oh.
sweet and tasty.
So like a vanilla Coke, I suppose.
Yeah, yeah.
And
And
then some
then gin.
Gordon's London Dry Gin.
Yeah,
Now gin's had a bit of a comeback recently, haven't it?
it is.
But then I thought to myself, and somebody told me this, it's actually reclined a bit since the pandemic.
I was going to say a lot of things. Pandemic, and the fact that in the pandemic, so many people made their own drinks.
Yeah,
You've got AU vodka.
yeah,
You've
yeah,
got
yeah.
gin, which is now every flavour going.
Yeah.
So Gordon's original gin, when I went to the wholesale, they said it's not being bought as much as the orange, tropical, passion fruit, watermelon gin.
Yeah.
There's a variation now. It's so big.
And somebody told me the fact that they're not so kind of on that kind of thing. Gin was a massive thing before the pandemic.
Yeah.
People were able to make a gin and tonic in the
Yeah,
house.
you can have
But
some.
what they couldn't do,
Yeah.
they couldn't make a cocktail. So cocktails are on the rise.
Yes,
Gin's
definitely.
on the decline because people can make a gin and tonic at home.
Exactly. But now, if we put gin into the cocktails,
Yeah.
those that love gin are getting
Yeah.
the best of both. You know, we got something here called the Guava Delight, which is actually my favourite.
Right.
Before I made that, I never tasted gin in my life
Right.
because I'm not a big alcohol drinker. I like
Okay.
cocktails. And gin, again, is one of them drinks that if you like the taste of it, you have a tonic and you have different flavours, or you put in a cocktail and it's just beautiful.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
that's the gin. So you can see all this topped with Coke and
With
a dash of lemon juice, and it's perfect.
Okay, so
Should
what
we
am I
get
doing?
cracking?
What
So,
am I doing?
Scoop of ice inside your shaker. That's it.
How much ice am I putting in
Yeah,
here?
that's absolutely fine. Yeah,
Is it?
yeah.
Yeah, so a scoop of ice there, in there.
And then one at a time now. Do you remember what this is called?
Do you know what? That's a really good question because you're going to test me every week and I need to be tested every
That's
week.
all right.
A shaker.
jigger.
Jigger, a jigger.
So,
Jigger and a
shaker
shaker.
and a jigger.
Jigger, a
There you
jigger.
go. And
Right,
like I
ask
said
me next
before,
week.
I will.
A jigger.
A full ounce of each one,
Right,
straight into the ice.
right, okay. That was a really good question. I'm really pleased you asked me that, because it shows that nothing is scripted, nothing is... We're doing this in one take.
Yeah.
And there's no planning. I just walk through the door 20 minutes before, have a quick catch up with Soraya,
Yeah.
and then bang, we're into making cocktails. So tequila.
Yeah.
So the gin's in,
Yeah.
the tequila's going in. Wow. Built to run the car off this.
You can see why people love this drink. And like I said, we're not stingy. You know,
No,
we're
no,
not
no,
gonna-
absolutely.
We're not going to think, oh, because there's 5 lots in you, we're going to give you half. No, you get what you pay for, and you get what you ask for.
King Trader. This is the white rum.
Yeah. We used to use Bacardi until someone said they prefer this.
they?
And this is a bit cheaper than Bacardi.
Yeah.
But it's sweet. It's
Right.
really, and it goes, anything sweet to me goes nice in a cocktail.
Yeah.
It does. And it works really well.
Oh, we're opening this for the first
Yes,
time.
we are.
Okay.
Of course, vanilla vodka.
Yeah. Vanilla vodka. Look
Have
at
a
that.
good smell
I
on
will,
that.
I
It's
will.
beautiful.
Oh, that smells incredible.
Hmm.
Dangerous wine, isn't it?
That's the problem.
Yeah.
A double shot of vanilla vodka and Coke goes well here.
Bang. So how's your week been? How's business? Really good?
Yeah, I mean, it was great. Friday and Saturday we were really busy. Through the week was we do takeaway cocktails, so a lot of people had them to the beach,
Yeah.
to the park nearby, and it was really good. Yeah.
Wonderful. So we're, this place is based in... Oh, what I was about to put a can
Right,
of Coke in there then.
Now, again, on my mixology course, I've done the exact same. Do you know what happened? With fizzy drink and a shaker,
What happens?
everything got decorated.
Did it?
Yes, because the fizziness inside a shaker. And
Oh,
air,
of course. Right.
And you know, people think, oh, you've been in university, you should be clever. No. You don't think when you just
No,
in
no,
love with
I
it.
wasn't
Like you just
thinking.
automatically
It
pick
was
it up.
just an
I just do the
automatic,
same
like,
thing.
right,
But I tell you what, you do things that you don't even think about doing.
No.
You know, I've had before now making a Blue Lagoon. I put lemonade in by mistake. Oh no! And before I even go to shake it, my mind thinks, oh yeah, it's fizzy. No.
Yeah.
So you know, a dash of lemon juice into your shaker.
In the jigger. No. Let me know when...
That's perfect.
That's perfect.
And then you stick your lid on, the other part of the shaker.
Make sure this is nice and square.
And do you remember
Give
how
it a-
we know? Yeah, shake.
Give it a shake, and then condensation then.
Yeah.
Wait for the condensation to come on the side.
That's it.
There we are, look at that.
If you go a little bit more, it just makes sure that every single one
It's shaking
is
up
cold.
nicely. Oh, right,
It's not
okay.
just stirring, it's the temperature. Imagine having a warm cocktail.
Oh, no, you don't want
It
that,
would
do you?
never be nice. So, you know, that's the main thing, is make sure every single drink that's in there is cold.
Oh, smells great.
Yeah?
Smells great.
Perfect. Now you tip the whole thing, even with the ice inside there, to keep the temperature nice and cold. Now bear in mind, that's just pure alcohol.
Look at the colour. Look at the colour on that.
Then you top up with your Coke.
So how much Coke are we adding?
Until the top.
Hit the top with it.
And there's no chance that the alcohol's going to be disguised. You're always going to taste the alcohol in that. It's such a strong drink. Perfect.
Long Island
And then you
iced
garnish
tea.
with either your cherries, your lemon, or both.
I reckon.
Put the two.
Just chuck one lemon in, one cherry in
And then
there.
put the whole thing on top.
Oh, the whole thing.
So what I do,
Right,
this is
go
just
on.
me, everyone does it different. So I
Yeah.
put that on top to look good, and then I would. You can use a twisty lemon, which I've made for you already,
Lovely.
or just a slice
A
of.
slice of lemon
there you
in
go.
there. Look
So you've got your
at
lemon and you've got
that.
your cherries.
Look at that, Long Island iced tea. I mentioned on the way in, before I try it, we're on you're on Holton Road in Barry.
Yeah.
Soraya's Cocktail, she's been open a year. Please come to this place, try a fantastic cocktail. Honestly, it was only the chance that I was coming back from a music festival and found this bar open that I come in, and it's brought a new level of excitement to alcohol for me, because I was been drinking beer now for 12 years, and as much as I love hops and malt and this is something kind of like new frontier for me.
Yeah.
Brand new frontier. And you must get that comment all the time when somebody tries something new for the first
A
time.
lot of things they don't know what it tastes like, so I automatically say, do you like fruity drinks?
Yeah.
Or do you like strong drinks? Or do you not like any fruit? Because we got whiskey, like I said, whiskey sour, so
Yeah.
Godfather, which is amaretto. And as soon as you know what they like, fruit or non-fruit, you kind of say, right, we got these. And they can say, I don't like strawberries, or I don't like passion fruit. And then you kind of filter out.
Yeah.
Once they taste it, they're like, oh. And a few people say to me, I trust your judgment. I'm
Yeah.
like, oh, no pressure. And then you make something and they love it. And then they come in and go, oh, can I have that same thing? And it's very important for me to remember what they asked for.
Yeah, yeah.
So I try and remember everything what people ask for.
So they feel like
Yeah.
they feel like a
Yeah.
local. Fantastic. So let's
So-
dive into this then.
And what do you think?
We've got some customers as well.
Yeah?
Terrific.
Hi guys, I'll be one sec, I'll be with you. If you want, you can always grab a straw, stir it and see what you think.
Wow.
But it's so strong.
You're getting all of that vanilla,
Yeah.
you're getting the tequila,
Yeah.
that, which one, this one
Triple
here,
sec,
you're
yeah.
definitely getting the triple sec.
But even though all an alcohol's in there, you can drink it. It's not like where you're not enjoying it.
It's, you can definitely feel the alcohol. You can definitely feel the alcohol. But like you said, with the Coke, the lemon, it
Triple
just,
sec, yeah.
it's just very inviting.
Yeah.
It's just very inviting. It's very citrusy, very inviting,
Yeah.
and really good. Really,
Very good.
really good. So
So you made your second cocktail?
I made my second
Happy days.
cocktail. Yeah, absolutely happy days. Yeah, check out Sir Reyes. Come to Sir Reyes in Barry. Thank you very much, Sir Reyes.
No,
for
thank
having
you
me.
again. I'm just as excited as you.
Fantastic. What are we doing next? You pull a Star Martini.
And we've ordered some craft beer in.
Yes. Oh, we got some
Yes.
Paulina come in. We got some Paulina come in. We had a
Yeah,
chat
this
after the
Thursday.
last video. Paulina's on the menu, and
So we're working together in that way. Because I'm
Yeah.
learning a lot.
so we're going to introduce craft beers to Sir Reyes as well. So which is terrific. I'm learning from Sir Reyes learning from me.
Definitely.
Absolutely wonderful. Thanks for watching.
Thanks,
Hope you
guys.
liked the video. Boom. Cheers.